Now, how do you use the mail instead of a Gmail on the iPhone? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. But on your phone, of course, you have more mail clients. The mail one is the blue icon, which is from Apple, and the Gmail one is from Google, right? And if you want to start using the one from Apple, you can open up the settings, go to the apps at the bottom, and look up the mail right here. And essentially you want to tap on mail accounts and set up your account. So tap on add a new one, and you might use your specific one from Apple if you have an iCloud ready, or you can choose from the list of providers. Like you can go with a Google account even on the Apple platform, or you can go with the Outlook or Microsoft, Yahoo, whatever else is available, or even tap on add other account, and you can choose it from like a specific address, connect to a server, and also use it for your email activities. So the setup process is pretty simple, but once you get inside, you'll notice that the environment looks a little bit different, but it is basically the same thing. Like you get the primary inbox, you have some categories, you can write in emails, only some like minor features that are going to be different, but it's just a different UI, but the same functionality pretty much. So some people prefer the Apple Mail, some people go for the Gmail or even other alternatives. So let me know below in the comments which option you like more. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.